This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Frank Struck. Beautifully updated ranch-style villa with 2 spacious bedroom and 2 updated baths. Enjoy your own washer and dryer in the unit. Terrific open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Fantastic kitchen with newer appliances and cabinetry. Private patio is great for relaxing any time of the day or night. Pines West is a lovely well-maintained gated community offering numerous amenities including pool, gym, playground, walking trails, open spaces, and more. Monthly fee includes reserves, insurance, security cameras, assigned parking, basic cable with internet, as well as building and roof maintenance. Close to world-famous beaches, Los Olas, and Wilton Manors. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Struck at 646-594-5656.